Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. If you will analyze this stock carefully, then you will find out that on this stock RBL Bank was taking support for this trend line, okay, and today it gave a breakdown below this trend line. And as we discussed day before yesterday, that if the stock goes below 238 rupees, then only we will short this stock. So if you would have shorted this stock around 237 238, then the stock has made a low of 231, or if you would have shorted it around 234, then the stock has already made low of 231. So easily you would have gained 3 points, okay, more than 1% in this stock, okay. And if you would have added this stock around this region as a support, okay, then you would have also gained 234 235 to 238 rupee target, okay. What can happen tomorrow in this stock? If the stock breaks this level, okay, if the stock breaks this level, okay, this level is 242. Until or unless the stock goes above 242, we won't buy this stock, okay. We will buy this stock above 242. And if the stock goes below 236 37, okay, you can say 36.5, then only we will short this stock. Let any candle close below 236.5, then we will short this stock again for the target of 231, okay. But one more thing, you should consider bank nifty also, okay. Thank you for watching.